Hello everyone, welcome to Millennium Education. As you know, on 14th Feb 2021, the CHSL 2020 मेंस conducted by the SSC और आज के इस एग्ज़ाम में जो टॉपिक्स आए थे वो आपके फर्दर्स और जो एग्ज़ाम होते हैं उनके लिए भी आपका इम्पॉर्टेंट हो सकता है, मेनली फॉर अपकमिंग WBCS मेंस and other exams. So the topics are, essay topics is on right to freedom of speech in India, and there is a sub part which you have to take up in your examination and in your paper, that constitutional provision and public speech regarding the right to freedom of speech in India. Next, the later topic that has been asked in this examination is, you are an activist of a remote locality of the tribal community. Write a letter to the collector of the area asking for redressal of the various problems faced by the tribal people. So these two topics were asked in CHSL Mains 2020. I hope you all will write a essay and write a letter on this topic to practice for your upcoming mains examination. For others examinations related to WBPSC and WBCS, also the SSC exams, upcoming SSC exams. Thanks for watching this video.